Hi students, how are you? Are you safe at home? Okay. Right. Today I am going to introduce the first chapter. What is that? Knowing our numbers. What is the name of the chapter? Knowing our numbers. Do you know the numbers? How the numbers are formed? So before that, what are the digits? So you know that the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are the digits. Using these digits we can form the numbers. How? So that is I am taking here 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Is it a number or not? Yes. Using the digits we can form the numbers. Okay. So we have many uses by using these numbers. In the previous class you have learned how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply and how to divide. By using the numbers you have added, subtracted, multiplied and divided. So we can collect, we can count the things. For counting purpose we are using these numbers. Is it clear, children? Right. Okay. So how can we compare the numbers? Which type of symbols we are using to compare the numbers? So we know the symbols less than, and it is greater than, and it is equal sign. So what is the symbol of this one? Is a less than, greater than, equal. These symbols are comparison symbols. We can compare the numbers or anything. Suppose see here 23 and 54. These two are the numbers. 23 and 54. These two numbers. Among these two numbers, okay. So 23 and 54. Which is greater? Which is greater? Very good. 54 is greater. So to show the greater, which symbol you will use? Greater than symbol. That is 54 is greater than 23 and 23 is less than 54. To show the less means use this symbol less than. Greater means right hand. That is greater than. Okay na? So these are the symbols we are using to compare the numbers. Not only that, suppose 2, 3, 4. So it is this number having how many digits here? 3 digits. 3 digits are formed one number. That is, it is a 3-digit number. 2, 3, 4. 234. 234 and 232. Okay, so which one is greater? Which one is greater? So here 3-digit numbers in the first you check. So all are the place values are same here. Ones units place, that is tens place and hundreds place. Here also same ones, tens, hundreds. Two numbers are 3-digit numbers. First of all you have to start from units place. That is ones place to you have to compare. Okay, 2 and 4. Here 2. Here 4. 4 and 2. Which one is greater? 4 is greater. That means 234 is greater than 232. So not only that, you can compare any 4-digit number also. 4-digit number. So observe here. So 4354, 4254. So which one is greater? So to compare these two numbers, we have to start from ones place to tens, hundreds, thousands place. Here also ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay, first to check the ones place. That is 4. Here 4, here 4. Both are same. And tens place 5, 5. Here also same. The place values of 5, 5 both same. And what about the 2? The place value of 2 is 100. Here 100. So compare the hundreds places. That is 3 and 2. So 3 and 2. Which one is greater? 3 is greater than. That means 4354 54 is greater than the 4254. This is the way of comparing the numbers. Okay, so not only that, we can compare 5-digit number, 6-digit number, any digit number. First of all, you have to check the ones digit, ones place, after tens place, after hundreds, thousands. Like that you have to compare each digit, and after that you show these symbols, less than, greater than or equal symbols. Right? Using 3 digit, how many numbers can you make? Now 4 digits or 5 digits. Okay, how many numbers can you make? Suppose 2874. 2874. Okay, so these are the separate digits, 2874. Using these 4 digits, okay, how many? Using 4 digit numbers, you have to form one greatest number and one smallest number. Here one condition is no such digit is repeated. That means one digit is not repeated 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so how can you form this one? Using 2874. Now I am using these digits, forming the 4 digit number, that is 8742. Okay, and observe, it is the greatest number or not? Yes, using this 4 digit number, I formed the one greatest number, that is 8742. This is the greatest number. And the smallest number, how to form? So that is 2478. 2478. We can form using 4 digit number. We can form the greatest number and smallest number. We can arrange them in ascending order and descending order. Observe, these are the descending order. Yes, descending order. It is the ascending order. Okay, not only that. So one more topic, that is ascending order and descending order. First of all, tell me what is an ascending order. What is an ascending order? You know very well about that ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest number, small to big. Okay, now so to arrange the numbers, to write the numbers from smaller number to bigger numbers. What about the descending order? Descending order means greatest number to smallest number. Suppose 2, 5, 15, 19, 0, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so using this digit, right? So using these numbers, how to write these numbers? Ascending order. Ascending order means the condition is smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest number. Smaller number, which is here 0. After that 2. Next 5, 6, 7, 15, 19. 15, 19. So descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. From reverse, greater number to smaller number, that is 19, 15, 7, 6, 5, 2, 0. This is the way of writing the ascending order to descending order. Okay, now right. And the next topic, that is shifting the digits. Shifting the digits. Shifting means so changing from one place to another place. Yes. So in the shifting digits, shifting means shifting of a number. So that is nothing but we have to change from one place to another place. In the shifting digit, one condition is so ones place to 100 place. Okay, that digits only we have to shift. Suppose 358. Okay, so 358. So in that 3 digits are there. The what is the place value of 8 ones or units place? Place value of 5 tens, and it is hundreds place. Shifting means here you change the place values of units digit and hundreds digit. What is the condition in the shifting digit? You have to exchange the hundreds and units digits only. Hundreds and units digits. So that means hundreds place, which digit is there? You write in the place of ones place. Ones place, which digit is there? That digit you write in the hundreds place. Now I am writing here. So no change in the tens place. Here 3 and it is 8. So now here you have to, if you observe carefully, so this is 853. 853. That means it is the greater number or smaller number? Yes. Compared to this, it is the greater number. So otherwise we can say that the digits are decreased from greater to smaller. That is called the descending order. This is the ascending order. Is it clear? Shifting the digit. In the shifting digits, we are shifting the digits. We are shifting the digits from one place to another place. That means hundreds place, and units place. That is the shifting of digits. Only the condition is what? Change of ones place and hundreds place only. Okay. So, and the next one is, take your textbooks. Okay children. So up to now I explained to you what is the use of numbers to count the any numbers in your school. How many people are there? That means there you will apply the counting. Okay. So this many people are there. 1000 people, 2000 people. That numbers we are representing in the numeral forms. And by using the numbers we can add, subtract, multiply and division also. Okay, how to compare the numbers? So by using the symbols greater than, lesser than or equal. So based on that we have some problems here. Page number 2. So that is page number 2. So try these problems are there. See here, try these problems. So can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest numbers in each row? So 382, 4972, 18. Next 59,785, 750. So which is the greatest number? Like the different problems are given. Okay. So in the comparing row, so what is the 382, 4,972 and 59,785, 750. Okay, so which is the greatest? Which is the greatest here? So first of all you have to check the digits. How many digits are there in the number? Here 3 digits, here 4 digits, here 2, here 5, here 3. So more digits means the number is greater. Very good. So that is 59,785. This is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Like so, different problems are given there. You have to solve these problems. Page number 2. Try these problems. Try these problems. Similarly, in the try these problems and find the greatest and the smallest numbers. So in that try these problems are there. You have to do yourself. And next come to the page number 3. That means how many numbers can we make? Already I explained to you. If 4 digits are there, 4 digits. Using 4 digits we can form the one greatest number and the smallest number without repeating. Okay, one digit you use only one time. Don't use 2 times, 3 times. Okay, so there some try these problems are there. See in the first one 2874. So how many digits can you make? How many numbers can you make using these digits? 4 digits are there. Okay. So without repetition. That means don't use one digit 2 times or 3 times. So we can form by using this. We can write this first 8, 7, 4, 2. After that we can write 2, 4, 7, 8. So this is the greatest number, this is the greatest number, and this is the smallest number. Like this you have to form. Many problems are there. You fill this all in the textbook. This is page number 3. So try these problems. Page number 3. Try these problems are there. So all problems you have to do. And next come to the page number 5. Page number 5. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement of the numbers from smallest to greatest. So here in the first problem, what they given? Arrange the following numbers in ascending order, that is 847, 9754, 8320, 571. Ascending order. So ascending order, check here. Here the 3 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits. First here smallest to greatest number. So among these numbers, which is the smallest? Very good. 571. So ascending order, smallest to greatest. That is first 571, next 847, then after 8320, next 9754. Like this you have to write the ascending order. Similarly, you can write this one in the descending order. If you write this one in the descending order means greatest to smallest. Okay na? Don't forget. So descending means greatest to smallest. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Okay. So descending order of these numbers. How to write? So reverse just. Descending order. That is 9754, 8320, 847, 571. So in this class we have learnt how to compare the numbers, either 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number or 5-digit number, any number. Okay na? First you have to check the number having how many digits. If the number having the same digits, you have to follow ones place to you have to check. Ones place. If the ones place of the 2 numbers of digits same, you go for next tens place. Again in the tens place same digit, go for next hundreds, like the 1000, 10,000, lakh. You can compare the numbers. Further, use the symbols greater than, less than, equal symbols. When we say that 2 numbers are equal, that means 2 numbers having the same digits. 24, 24, both are equal. Okay na? So 55, 55, both are equal. 7542, 7542. So 4 digits are the number. Both numbers are having 4 digits. So all are same. That's why you can say that these 2 numbers are equal. Is it clear, children? After that, how many numbers can you make? 4-digit number. So that is greatest number and smallest number. In the condition without repetition. And the next two, ascending order and descending order. How to shifting the digits. Shifting digit in that condition is the hundreds place and ones place digits only you have to change in the shifting digits. Is it clear? Today I given this homework problems page number 2 and 3. How many try these problems are there? So that all problems you have to complete. Okay na children? Bye.